Hello everyone, this is Jordy here and this is an unboxing of my Razer lycosa mirror keyboard. Sorry if you can barely hear me, I'm like a mile away. Hold on. Right. In fact, this is it anyway. I bought this on the 28th and it says it will be here on that Wednesday after it. And so I came home from school that day and it wasn't there. And then, so I thought it would be here on Thursday. So I came home today and I seen at the front door that there was nothing there. So I was like, fuck. So I went out to get food at the kitchen and I looked at my two conservatory doors and I seen this box just sitting here. So anyone could have stole that instead of walking behind my house. So they could have. And so get this box opened. I'm using a wee dodgy key to open it, you know. Cuts for it like no normal. Look. If I could just jinx myself, you know. Wow, I'm gonna bust everything. So here is my address and stuff. Oh, now they see that. I'll keep this in the box. I'll get that out and stuffed with paper, so I'll get rid of this one and to the keyboard. It's a quite nice box, you know. What the fuck's this person? That's right. Oh, this just slips right there back. Oh, this looks nice. Razer looks good for packaging. Oh, not really. Look at that. It's like they got a machete and just like slicing the box open everywhere. Whoa. But the boxes look pretty slick. It's like glossy, shiny. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. I'm meant to open this. Oh, there's like black tape there. This should slip open and yep. Whoa. Look inside there, it's a pure aluminum screen. That's your box, by the way. And then you get another box. If you can see that, it's upside down probably. Oh, put it over here. Welcome to the cult of Razer. I think it says cult. Bad reader. And this opens up to your keyboard. Plastic. And on the other side of this box are the wee foamy things. You can't really see. You can't see, can you? No, you can't. They're foamy things and they protect me. So yeah, you get plastic. Try to take this out without breaking it. Wow, effective USB is. Oh god. There we go. Right, so I'll get to the keyboard last. That's pure light keyboard. Right, so you get a wee plastic thing and you get a book. I'll probably know what this art is, but sure, you know. I'll leave it decent for a story. Ooh. 40 gamers by 40 gamers by gamers. Can you see that? I don't know if you can, but that's what it says. And the Razer logo on the book, of course. Open. I do not know the open, so I'll just slide it out. Oh, I can't even do it. No, it's actually just a wee flap. Wow. What are these? They're like bar mats. What? It's a book? Wow. That's like a bar mat book. And then here's the Oh, wow, look at the desk. That's a snazzy looking desk. I think that's a cloth to clean. Get some Razer stickers, looking sweet. And another book, advertising stuff about Razer. I also bought a Razer mouse mat, but that won't come for ages. So I'll probably do an unboxing of that too. Wow man, this is cool. Do I have to plug this keyboard in? This Tuscan? I think I do. So I'll leave that over there. I'll keep the clean mat out as well. Right, so I'll get on to the actual keyboard now. Oh, my bed's a mess. Oh, Jesus. So here is the keyboard. First looks of it, you can't see the keys under no lights, barely. You can barely see them keys. And it looks like it's going to get dust everywhere. Which everyone says it does get dust everywhere. It feels quite good. Like plastic, not like the lycosa, they're actually plastic. But that up button there feels like it's pushed in too far, by the way. Then it has like a what? 2 USBs, them ones, 2. Fucking hell. And there's like a wee power brick in the middle. This must be a good keyboard, I see. So, yeah. This is me and I'm going.